Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can set up Google Authenticator so that you can be able to link it with whichever account that you have. The account can be a social media account, a crypto account, a banking account, whichever account at all. I will show you how you can be able to add or link the Google Authenticator to that account. Setting up the Google Authenticator app to any account is one of the methods of turning on or enabling the two-factor authentication, and this adds a second layer of security to your online account by requiring a time-based one-time password in addition to your password. So Google Authenticator is a widely used mobile app that generates 6-digit codes that refresh every 30 seconds. So in this guide, I'll walk you through installing the Google Authenticator on your Android or iPhone, linking it to an account by entering a secret key. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do all of this, so make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Now let's get started. So guys, the first step you have to take now is to go ahead now to download and install the Google Authenticator app into your phone. So if you're using an Android device, you have to go over to your Play Store, while if you're using an iOS device or an iPhone, you have to go over to your App Store. So since in this tutorial I'm using an Android device, let me go over to my Play Store real quick. So where is my Play Store? Let me go down. So I've seen my Play Store, so let me tap on it now to open it. Let me tap on it real quick. You can see my Play Store is opening up. So what I will do right away now is to go ahead now to search for Google Authenticator. So for me to do that, I have to tap on the search icon at the bottom right. So let me tap on it real quick. Then let me tap on the search bar at the top. So what I'll do quickly now is to type in Google Authenticator. So let me type it real quick. Right there you can see I've typed it, so let me tap on search. Right there is the Google Authenticator app, so let me tap on it so you see it clearly. You can see this is the app, you can see the logo right there. So let me tap on install to install it real quick. You can see guys that started installing, so let's wait a few seconds. It's going to get installed in a few seconds. Then after that you can see now it has started installing, so let's just wait. You can see now the Google Authenticator app is now installed. So what I can do now is to go ahead now to tap on open. So let me tap on open right away. So guys, now you can see the Google Authenticator app is opening. Then yeah, it says welcome to Google Authenticator, sign in to save your codes to your Google account. So guys, what you have to do now is to select the Google account that you want to use for the linking or the binding. Remember, this is a Google product, so you're going to choose a Google account that you're going to use to do the linking or the binding. So that's a Google account. You can see that's the email address. So let me tap on this drop down icon to select the Google account that I want to use for the linking. So let me tap on the drop down icon. You can see these are several Google accounts that I have. So let me select one of it real quick. Let me select this right away. You can see guys, I've selected that one. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on continue as Emmanuel. So let me tap on it. Well guys, you can see now we've been logged into the Google Authenticator app. Now the next step you have to take now is to decide which account that you want to link to this Google Authenticator app. Which account do you want to secure? Which account that do you want to add a second security layer to? So you can add your social media account, or you can add your crypto account, whichever account at all. So I'm going to be using the Instagram account as an example. So I'm going to be linking my Instagram account to this Google Authenticator app. I'm going to be binding both of them. This will in fact add an extra layer of security to the Instagram account. So guys, let me go over to my Instagram account real quick. Let me show you guys what you have to do. So let me look for my Instagram account. Where is it? So let me tap on it to open. You can see my Instagram account is opening. So let me tap on got it. So now the next step you have to take now is to tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. So let me tap on it. Then let me tap on the menu icon at the top right. You can see guys, it's loading up. Now the next step you have to take now is to tap on account center. So let me tap on it. Then what I have to do now is to tap on password and security. So let me tap on it. You can see guys, it's loading. Then what I have to do now is to tap on where you can see two-factor authentication. So let me tap on it. You can see it's loading. Then here is the next step. It says two-factor authentication. Choose an account to set up two-factor authentication. So let me choose my Instagram account down there. Let me tap on it. You can see it's loading up. Here is the next step. It says help protect your account. set up two-factor authentication, and we will send you a notification to check is you if someone logs in from a device that we don't recognize. It says down there, choose how you want to receive notification. So you can see we have two methods right here. So you can see the first one that is recommended is authentication app. So guys, let me tap on it now to select it. As you can see, there is automatically selected already. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on next. So let me tap on next. Right here is the next step. You can see what's written there. It says instructions for setup, and as you can see here, we have 3 instructions that we have to follow for this to be successful. The first one, they said download an authentication app. We've already downloaded the Google Authenticator app, and I've showed you guys how to do it. It says we recommend downloading Duo Mobile or Google Authenticator if you don't have one installed. So guys, I've downloaded the Google Authenticator app already. Then over to the second instruction, it says scan this barcode or QR code or copy the key. So they're asking us to scan a QR code or copy the key. Let me continue reading. It says scan this barcode or QR code in the Authenticator app or copy the key and paste it in the Authenticator app. So guys can see right here, that's the key. So we are given 2 options here, either to scan the QR code or barcode or to copy the key. You can see right there, that encircled area is the key. It contains alphabets and numbers. But if you want to use the barcode or QR code, then you have to tap on where you can see view barcode / QR code. So let me tap on it so you see it. So guys, right here is the QR code. You can see what's written there. It says use your Authenticator app to scan this QR code. So guys, but we're not going to be using the QR code, we're going to be using the key. So let me scroll down now. So guys can see the key right there. You can see the key. So now to copy the key, what you have to do is to tap on where you can see copy key. So let me tap on copy key right away. So you can see right there, it says copy to clipboard. So I've been able now to copy the key. So let's go over to the third one. It says copy and enter 6-digit code. It says after the barcode or QR code has been scanned or the key has been entered, your authentication app will generate a 6-digit code. Copy the code and then come back to Instagram to enter it. So guys, now what we have to do now, we have to do the second instructions, and we've copied the key already. So what we have to do now is to go over to the Authenticator app, the Google Authenticator app, to paste this key that we just copied. Remember, I told you guys for you to copy the key, you have to tap on copy key. So let me tap on it so you see it. You can see copy to clipboard. So I've copied the key now. So let me go over to the Google Authenticator app that I just downloaded to paste this key right there. So let me minimize. Then let me go over to the Google Authenticator app. You can see I'm back to the Google Authenticator app. Like I said, you have to select your Google account. Make sure you select the right Google account that you want to use for this linking or binding. So what the next step you have to take now is either to tap on this plus icon right there. You can see it down there, or you can tap on add code, add a code. But let me tap on the plus icon right away. Let me tap on it. Then what you have to do next now is to tap on where you can see enter a setup key. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, what you have to do right here now is to enter the code name. Then you have to enter the key. The key that we just copied, you have to place it right there in the second field. So let me enter a code name. Let me tap on it. Then let me just give it Instagram. Then let me put in the name of the Instagram. So guys, now you can see I've repeated the code name. So let me go ahead now to paste the key I copied from Instagram, that key. So let me paste it in the second field. You can see guys, I've pasted the key. So what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to tap on where I can see add. So let me tap on add. Wow guys, you can see it has been added already. You can see the code right there, and you can see the 6-digit code. You can see it is being generated every 30 seconds. So what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to copy this code. Remember, the third instruction is to copy the code and then go back to Instagram to paste it. So what I'm going to do now is to copy one of these code. You can see the code is actually every 30 seconds. You can see this one is almost done. In the next few seconds now, this code is going to expire. So guys, take note of this. It expires every 30 seconds. So let me wait for the next code right away so I can copy it. Right here is the next code. So let me make a long press on it to copy it. You can see code copy to clipboard. So let me minimize now. Then let me come back to Instagram. Then let me tap on next. You can see guys, it's loading. Then let me paste the code I just copied right away. You can see I pasted it. So let me tap on next. Wow guys, you can see two-factor authentication is on. We will now ask for a login code whenever you log in on a device that we don't recognize. To change your contact info, go to the personal details section in Account Center. So guys, what I will do now is to go ahead now to tap on done. So let me tap on done. So guys, can see it right there again. It says two-factor authentication on. You can see it right there, Authenticator app. You will get a login code from your Authenticator app. So guys, now you can see now I've been able now to link this Google Authenticator app to the Instagram account. This is how you can be able to link whichever account that you have to the Google Authenticator app. You can see you can link your crypto accounts, whichever crypto account that requires you to turn on two-factor authentication by linking the Google Authenticator app. This is how you can do it. I just used Instagram as an example. So guys, this is simply how you can be able to set up your Google Authenticator app, and I believe I've been able now to do justice to this. So if you did get value from this video and it was helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. So guys, see you in our next upload.